Hello and welcome to My Trusted Builder. My name is Alexander Vremi and I'm the founder and managing director of the company. Today I want to take you to a tour through one of our recently completed projects, which is a rear extension in East London, Hackney. Do you follow me? As with any extension project, the main focus was to maximize the space and to make sure that we deliver the most functional space around. So as you can see, we have the staircase going to the first floor on the right, and under the staircase we've managed to accommodate the toilet. Next to it we had the pantry. Then in the corner we've positioned the boiler and then a small utility room in a very creative and unique way. Also, we have created this bespoke door, which is a folding door and then closes nicely on the magnetic fittings around. Here we had brick slips and with a nice skylight, which brings a great amount of light into the house, which was a problem previously. The skylight, as you can see, is also opening, so we have a nice fresh air coming through the house during the summer. And of course, the most important thing, a big, large, spacious kitchen with a nice island, which has been the main focus.